Hi everyone and welcome to channel Ankit Food for Thought. So today I am going to make a special recipe on occasion of Diwali, that is Diwali special recipe. Now food facts with Alexa. So today we are going to tell you the facts about the two main fruits, which are water chestnut and the second one is the persimmon fruits. Alexa, tell benefits of water chestnut.
Some health benefits commonly associated with water chestnuts may include providing disease-fighting antioxidants, reducing blood pressure and preventing heart disease, promoting weight loss, preventing cancer.
Alexa, tell benefits of persimmon fruit.
Some health benefits commonly associated with persimmon may include being a good source of fiber, vitamin A, vitamin B6, and vitamin C, promoting healthy eyes, improving heart health, excellent source of powerful antioxidants, reducing inflammation.
Ingredients for water chestnut snacks or singhada snacks. So for that हम यहाँ पे यूज़ कर रहे हैं cinnamon, semolina, singhada और water chestnut, castor sugar and rice flour. Now we are going to prepare the batter, and for that I have already taken 1 tablespoon of rice flour and half tablespoon of semolina and half tablespoon of castor sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. So now I am just going to add a little bit of water to it, and I am going to just mix this and make a fine batter. Ingredients for persimmon apple shake. So for that I am using persimmon fruit, or in Hindi we call it as Japani phal, green apple, a bowl of milk. So I have added apple, that is green apple, persimmon fruit, which is also known as Japani fruit, and milk to it, and I am not adding any additional sweetener to it because these are all already sweet. So if you want, you can also add a little bit of honey or any sugar to it. So now I am going to blend it. So these are the boiled water chestnut or singhade, which we have coated with the batter, and I have kept it for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Now we are going to fry it in the pan. So now we are going to fry the water chestnut. I have added 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan, and now I am going to add these coated water chestnuts. Please note that the flame should be low or kept at medium. Don't place it on a high flame. So for plating I have used, these are the fried water chestnuts, this is the green apple, and we have put the shake, the shake of persimmon and apples inside this persimmon fruit, and so this is all about the plating. And this is the chocolate sauce, so you can enjoy this on Diwali. Food for thought. So today I am presenting this recipe on occasion of Diwali. So happy Diwali to all. Significance of Diwali.
Even though Diwali is celebrated across the country, Hindus, Jain and Sikh have their own reason to celebrate Diwali. One of the most popular stories is that of Ram and his wife Sita returning to their kingdom from exile after defeating Ravan. Diwali also marks the occasion of Nirvana or liberation of Mahavir's soul, the last Tirthankar. Diwali celebrations vary across India and are often based on local legends.
Now a quick recap. So here I have used for the water chestnut, firstly I have used boiled water chestnut, and then for the mixture of the batter I have used rice flour, semolina, castor sugar, cinnamon. So that's it, and we have prepared a thick batter, and then we coated it with the water chestnuts, and then we fried it. So for the shake I have used persimmon fruit, green apple and milk. So I blended this, and this is the natural. I haven't used any external sweet. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you, and happy Diwali once again, and enjoy the Diwali with your family members and near and dear ones.